Get is a cellular communicator designed to upgrade alarm systems. It connects alarm panels to modern monitoring and app control through Protegus. Get connects via tip-ring dial capture or via serial or key bus on supported panels. Installation is handled through the Protegus 2 app using a simple guided setup. System setup starts by scanning the QR code on the device. Protegus identifies the device and prepares the correct setup flow automatically. Select the security company. Monitoring station templates are managed through the Protegus company account. Get supports multiple integration methods. In this example, tip-ring is selected, a standard and widely used connection method. In most installations, default parameters are applied automatically. No manual configuration is required. Enter only the parameters required by the selected monitoring station. Protegus writes the configuration and connects the system to the monitoring station. If needed, advanced settings can be configured directly in the app. Name the system and add it to Protegus. Map the output to an area to allow remote control directly from the app. The system is now available in the app. After setup, the system is transferred to the client. Get and Protegus simplify upgrades for installers and provide a clear handover to the end user, all through one platform.